Okay, and the IFTA goes to Karl, Merren, Ken, Galvin and Peter Blayney for the silence.
Thank you very much. We'd like to thank Dervla, obviously, and Eleanor, and Company Pictures, and Coach, and all the crew for helping us get it right. I'd also like to take this chance to thank my wife and my two beautiful children that she minds while I go and play TV. And the lads, obviously, who fixed all my sound.
And the many other sound editors that also worked on the show and couldn't be named on the award. Michelle, John, Fionn, Kira, everybody. You know who you are. Anyway, thanks very much.